Welcome to the Hermosa. This is the most amazing owner suite up home you're going to walk in. For years, people have been asking us for a smaller house. We've delivered roughly 2,800 square feet, yet it lives so big you will forget that size. I'm Bill Saint, President and CEO of Classica Homes. Let me show the Hermosa to you. The beauty of the Hermosa starts right here in the kitchen, open to everything and a fabulous spot. Not only will everyone gather here, but it really is the central place that makes your life easy. The kitchen is enormous with over 46 doors and drawers, built-in cabinetry that just looks like it's pushed into place like fine furniture. The island is an incredible spot. You'll be dining here casually all the time. When we wrap it around, 5 people can sit here and they're looking at each other just as naturally as you would at a dining table. Each room has its own definition, and that is a central element to great open concept design. When you're in the heart of the home, you're surrounded with 4 sides of natural light spilling in to the dining, kitchen, great room, filling this home with bright light. The home management area off the kitchen is phenomenal. In today's world, with needing that extra home office area or homework area, this works ideal. There's a large home management area with a walk-in pantry, or a second option would make the home management into a butler's pantry for extra storage, or a scullery area, which would include a sink and a dishwasher. If home management or home office is your need, keeping the home management area and pantry could be ideal, or the full expanded home management would allow 2 people to work in this area and be uninterrupted in space. Also, with adding a door to separate the kitchen from the home management would make this area even more quiet. We've modeled this Hermosa with the guest suite down option. This is a fantastic way to have a guest suite with a full bathroom downstairs to make it so functional, especially with the owner suite up. Conversely, this area can be a study with a powder room. Walking upstairs, you have a wonderful private entry into the owner suite, large and filled with sunlight. It is private, and when you're inside, you realize you aren't looking into a bathroom, into a closet, or even seeing your owner's suite door. As you walk into the owner's bath, you're greeted with a large vanity with double sinks, great shower, and an enormous owner's closet. With the laundry room upstairs, functionality is so easy as all the bedrooms are up. The second floor of the Hermosa is so dynamic with all the changes you can do and options. The bonus room normally would be closed with a door, making it a great media room, which includes a large storage right next to it. That bonus room could also be open with the open rail, making it much more livable and feeling like a loft. Also, you can extend this bonus room and make it much larger, as we've shown here in the Hermosa that was built. The last option for the bonus room area is an additional bedroom with its own walk-in closet. The 2 bedrooms up, we're showing with the en-suite bath option. This makes each bedroom have its private bathroom along with a full-size walk-in closet. Now we're in the room you're going to use every day. The incredible covered outdoor living area spills right from the indoors to outdoors through that 8-foot sliding door. It's just a great spot to unwind, relax, entertain. Having it built into the home just makes it architecturally correct. It just lives right. Thank you for being with us to check out the Hermosa. Be sure to watch the detail video for more highlights of what makes the Hermosa so special.